So guys, now new Ludum is getting to Windows 10 and Windows 11. So PFN this is this Ludum. So how to fix this? So guys, open file manager, right click to this PC, show more, manage. So guys, manage your network drive is uninstall and again install. Right click, uninstall, sorry, uninstall, uninstall. Okay, then again install. Otherwise you just click to right click to update, and otherwise you just click to scan. Now show again this one, right click, update, and update automatically. Okay, then close it. Then guys, scan malware and viruses. So click to here, this is Windows Defender, and right click to open, virus and threat protections, scan now, full scan, and then scan now to click. Okay, so now is scanning for your systems, all files, and file corrupted to automatically repair, and any find to virus and malware to remove automatically. Okay, so I minimize it, and next step. So guys, very important my point to Windows R, not Windows R, so click to start button, type CMD, and right click to run as administrator, click to yes. So I giving you a command sfc space slash scan now. This is a command for the Windows corrupted so file to automatically repair, and then enter. So now starting the Windows, so it will repair. So please wait 15 minutes, otherwise you can minimize it, no problem, you want to use it. Okay. So guys, you can check your systems, then again showing this Ludum and again showing. So please comment me, I will guide you how to solve this problem, because this comment is this video is eligible for it, enough for this resolve this problem. So again you showing, so comment me, I'll suggest you. Okay, bye bye, take care.